our model gets turned on, and our emotion is detected as sad. Here it goes on for a checkpoint if the face point is available, so it will move on. And in the query part, as you can see, we have passed the happy so as to make the user happy, and we will search for some happy playlist in Spotify. And again, automatically our cursor goes on and plays the music with the help of application modeler. On the scheduler check, we'll check the mood of the user again, and here our emotion is detected a neutral after a certain time, so we'll continue the loop. Here, our emotion is detected as happy. So, at this point, we will get out of the loop and stop the music. Then close the Spotify window and send a healthy reminder. And end the process.